Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. As many of you would know, I've been building a lithium battery for my big motor Razor electric scooter. Well, I was pretty happy last night as the lithium charger which I've purchased arrived. However, that excitement was short-lived as when I opened the packaging, I saw that this was a 6S charger that had been sent to me. Now, as you know, my plan all along has been to build a 7s8p configuration of lithium battery. I haven't really talked about 7S versus 6S, but my reason for the 7S is I've always wanted the voltage to be above 24 volts. So with a 7S configuration, you will always have a voltage above 24 volts. The voltage will range from approximately 29.4 volts down to 25.6 volts at the discharge voltage, always giving you that voltage above 24. But if you drop back to a 6S configuration, you'll end up with a voltage range of something like, call it 25.2 volts down to 22.2 volts in that discharge state. And since I'm trying to get a battery to push the scooter along quite well, I wanted that little bit extra voltage. So as you can imagine, having waited for 3 or 4 weeks for this lithium charger to come, with the slow freight movements at the moment around the world, I'm a little bit disappointed. However, perhaps not all is lost, and maybe I can do something with that 6S charger because I managed to pick up these Vruzend caps at a garage sale. And I'm thinking maybe I can build a custom configuration 6S 8p battery, which I can use with this lithium charger that I've got, as a bit of a trial until I actually manage to get my hands on a 7S charger to build the battery I really want to for the big motor Razor. And then what I'm thinking is, if you remember those Razor scooters which I rejuvenated in that 3-part series, I've just pulled one out of the shed, pulled the cover off, pulled the junk batteries out, and I built a 6S 8p for one of these scooters that I rejuvenated previously, and see how that goes. Perhaps maybe in the future we can even do a side-by-side comparison, a 6S versus a 7S in those rejuvenated E200s. That'd probably make a really great video and a bit of an experiment. If you're interested in seeing me throw together a Vruzend 6S 8p battery for the Razor E200, leave a comment below or even subscribe to the channel and watch for that update.